Hey guys, thank you for watching. This is the RGT Challenger, which is an amazing car. But there are some points that we are going to do to improve the handling on the course. So stay tuned to see it all. When we were testing the Challenger on our course, I noticed that the weight in the back was a little bit too high, and the sway bars, they are not helping either with the capabilities of this truck. So to improve the handling, what we are going to do, we are going to remove the sway bar and we are going to reduce the weight on the back. So, to remove the weight on the back, that's a pretty simple job. Just remove the spare tire and then you will save some weight at the back, but also some weight which is up high on the car itself. So, when doing this, this should improve the handling of the car on the course. So another thing you can do to reduce the weight is to remove the fake fence over here. I am not going to do that because I just like how it looks on the car itself. Another thing you can remove is just this tiny bit over here, which normally holds the spare tire. And this one is just secured by one screw, which is mounted from underneath here. So another benefit of removing the spare tire is that when you're opening the cap or the body, it just stays open. Normally the tire will push against the end of the car and you would not be able to open the car completely, which could be a bit annoying when changing the battery. So when you remove the spare tire, you can just leave it open like this, and that's, I think that's a pretty nice thing. So to remove the sway bar, there are a couple of screws that you should undo. There are two screws over here which are actually holding the sway bar itself, and then you should remove those screws underneath here. So you've got one over here, which is the connection arm of the sway bar, and one over here. So we are going to start with those two. And what you can do, if you've got a very slim hex driver like I have got, then you can just put it through the rim of the car and then you can access this screw. So we are going to remove those first. So let's proceed with the other two screws. So you should remove this and this screw. And now you can remove the sway bar completely. There you are. So this is a very simple job to do. Now we have reduced the weight on the back and we have improved the suspension travel by removing the sway bar. So when you're driving over obstacles now, your suspension can travel all the way and it will not be limited by the sway bar itself. Alright guys, that was it for today. Please stay tuned to my channel, please subscribe, and if you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave a comment below. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye bye.